Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check your last location of your iPhone on Find My app in your iPhone, iPad or a MacBook. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. And I'm on my iPhone, you can follow the exact same steps if you're on a MacBook or a iPad. So guys, first of all, open up the settings of your iPhone, iPad or MacBook, scroll down until you find privacy and security, then tap on it, then tap on location services on the top. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to scroll down to the bottom and tap on system services. Now once you're on this page, scroll down and then tap on significant locations right here. And basically, in my case it's turned off, but if you have turned it on, you'll find all the locations where your iPhone is been, and you can easily check the locations, last location of your iPhone, and you can also clear the history by tapping on clear history. So I hope you have found the video helpful. Make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.